टीम है यहाँ पे पंक्तिबद्ध हो गई है। युवा पलटन की टीम हमें नजर आ हमारे साथ फिर से जुड़ जाइए।
अरे बाप रे, the man who keeps switching the shots, he just does that. Been asked not to take names, so I will not take names. But the man who just keeps switching it on the keyboard as the switcher, everyone thinks that he is a director, but I am asking him to change that Prince Dahiya's countdown, because Prince Dahiya is long gone. Vasco Vipers have not done anything because
टीम के कप्तान और ये खिलाड़ी अजय गुलिया और फॉर अ चेंज युवा पलटन की जो जर्सी है मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रही है। बहुत ही क्लीन डिजाइन और जिस तरीके से व्हाइट और ऑरेंज को यूज किया गया है, लेकिन यहाँ पर व्हाइट और ऑरेंज को जो पूरी जो नीली जर्सी है वो उठा करके पटक दी है। और
very nice tackle as he was not having an angle to escape at all. Now, tell you what, this is the new raider, Himesh Teotia. Oh. That's not the raid that we wanted to, isn't it? Sanjay Anania pounces on him. He says, you're very new here on this mat, so I'm not going to give you anything in the first raid. That's heart-breaking, confidence-breaking, shattering, and of course, nervous raid from Teotia.
और मयंक सैनी पॉइंट लेकर के चले गए। नवीन ने हमें बता दिया। फिर से एक बार मयंक।
बिल्कुल नवनीत, यही होता है मजा जब आप वेन्यू पे रहते हो। और नीतीश रामैया का ये और एक गलती। Again, the right cover which comes to my head when I think of Nitish Ramaya. That's what has always been the problem. And Kshitij, a nice name to pronounce that one. Kshitij. What is that, Navneet?
Kshitij. That means horizon.
Kshitij. Whoa. Horizon.
From the Akshay.
Right. On the horizon of the midline, he's taken away a point. Right. That's what it is. Samir Yusuf Khan. Oh, he's got the falling hand touch and he's attacked Darshan Ravi. Well, welcome to Yuva All-Stars Championship here, my friends. That's what we want. This is a do-or-die raid now. Ashish needs to weave out a point out of this here, Navneet.
जी हाँ, आशीष पड़ाले वो भी एक कहानी बुनते हुए यहाँ पर दाहिने तरफ रेड लगाने के लिए गए हैं। पूरे 7 खिलाड़ी मौजूद है। एक बार फॉलिंग हैंड टेस्ट की कोशिश की। पूरा जो यहाँ पर उसका जो नीला कोट है उसका मेजरमेंट लेते हुए आशीष पड़ाले। और फुटवर्क देखिए यहाँ पे डाइव लगाया, मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस किए अपने खिलाड़ी क्षितिज जो 18 नंबर की जर्सी से है।
It also covers all the ankles. But here in Kabaddi, it's the lightest shoes that I have seen. No goal and 303 raid points, yes. But now, when the story was going along, now that's how the shoes, an ankle hold. That's the shoe that has been getting caught in Rakesh Rajesh's hand. Brilliant. Now, if you see Mayank Saini, now we will get the shoe shot perfectly well to explain that story out. Well, I'm talking of a shoe shot. It's a top angle shot. Well, let us see whenever we get it. When I say the great Sunil Joshi or our very close, very good friend who played for Karnataka, was it the Davangere Express? But here, it's a East Matrix super tackle. Wonderful back hold. Navneet, after your explanations, I'll come in.
2 points, Junior Steelers.
यहाँ पे ईज माई ट्रिप सुपर टैकल देखने को मिला है। और नवीन हमें ये लगातार पैन कोड पे हम कहानियां सुन रहे। युवा पलटन यहाँ रेड लगाने के लिए आए। 2 डाई रेड में दोनों बार सफलता मिली है। 5 मिनट 13 सेकंड का और डुबकी लगाए है, लेकिन इस बार देखिए किस तरीके से मछली को जाल में फंसाया। और यहाँ पे सारे मछुआरे रूपी
Sanjay Anania agreed to it. He handshake. Ayush Singh did not claim it, so Sanjay Anania stayed on. Do or die raid now. Well, and do or die raids and Mayank Saini, they have a story. I'm sure our data partners will come out with a story. Definitely out of this tackle. Sanjay Anania pulls him down. Yeah, in this championship, I want to know how many will come in and try and attack Sanjay Ananya
Do or die.
once again. That's what will happen. Now do or die raid here, Navneet.
ये एक बार फिर से डू और डाई रेड यहाँ पर अजय रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। देखिए इनका जो टर्न है वो गज थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। ऐसे बाकी खिलाड़ियों को मैं टर्न होते हुए देखा हूँ, किस तरफ मुड़ेंगे आपको नहीं पता। यहाँ पे देखिए चेन तोड़ के मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस कर चुके हैं अजय।
3 and 6. 3
Wow,
points.
wow, wow.
No Paltan.
Navneet, India won star moment of the match in a do or die raid. Junior Steelers were holding on to that lead by 1 point. And now just see what has Ajay Gulia done. Well, he's changed things around. Wanted to break the chain, as you said, but that backtracking of a raider. And then you do not have that power that was coming in from Ankit Dhul to pin him down. Yeah, I understand. Call themselves as commentators, and someone also calls themselves as exfluencers. No, I don't call them influencers. I call them exfluencers because they don't have the X factor at all. So they try to comment on others' life. And that's a big jump. Yeah. Wanted to go out there and attack on that right corner. Presses him down and
1
goes away.
point. Yuva Paltan. Jersey number 28.
And we just
out.
recently saw what just happened when you stretch the lines of comedy too much.
Red.
Yeah, it is tend to happen. So many unscribing. We will not take his name though. Don't have to. But I can take one good friend of mine's his name, Navneet. I'll tell you what, Dennis Saint. Now he's my very good friend. Blocks, Darshan Ravi. All out, Junior Steelers.
Bonus point. Junior Steelers.
Now this is
Red
storytelling.
out. 1 plus 2, 3 points.
Dennis Saint,
Yuva
my very
Paltan.
good friend. Of
All
course, we
out.
know what he
Junior
can do.
Steelers.
What he's doing. And he is a great, great entertainer. Doesn't stretch the boundaries of entertainment too much. And he goes by the name Mr. No Grudge as well.
Off time.
Yeah, that's a
Change the
nice one.
code.
But yeah, Junior Steelers. What I am trying to say when we go to the next page, so I will say, लेकिन Ease My Trip, हमारे जो ट्रैवल पार्टनर हैं, उनके बारे में ज़्यादा स्टोरी नहीं मिली क्योंकि मुझे मौका नहीं मिली जैकलिन फर्नांडिस से अभी तक बात करने की। तो अगर हो जाता बात तो स्टोरी उनके बारे में भी बता देता मैं। नवनीत कुछ करो यार, आप कुछ इन्फ्लुएंस करो। As Mayank Saini is trying to influence his hand touch on Darshan Ravi. He's got it. He's got it. He's got a hand touch. That's okay, Mayank Saini.
1 point.
And Darshan
Junior
Ravi
Steelers.
agreed. Now that is called influencing. And today in this digital world, everybody thinks that they are influencing. I don't understand what are they influencing about. Commenting on others, living in the other's shadow, eating out of others' plate.
1 point.
What are
Yuva
you
Paltan.
influencing?
Jersey number
But
28
Navneet,
out.
in either of their points table, much needed victory because on 5 they both are been strangling to go on top. Been struggling to go on top. Ankle hold once again, brilliant. This is the second time.
Red
Sahil
out.
Narwal
1 point.
twice,
Junior
Navneet,
Steelers.
in consecutive tackles. First Ashish Padale and now Shijit.
कम से कम सेकंड बचे आके इस मैच से वो 30 सेकंड निकाल करके अपने पक्ष में मैच को बनाए।
Do or die raid, yes, because Sanjay Nanya was killing the clock. And do or die raid, Mayank Saini has got 17 raids, out of which he's got 11 successful raids. But here, the 12th won't be a successful one.
1 point.
Oh, see, I'll tell you what. I know he's the premium raider. I know
Do
he's
or
sent
die.
into the grinder because you need to save. Are you saying? And Samir has been grinded out. See, that's okay.
Red out.
If you get a
1
point in a
point.
do or die raid,
No
okay,
point.
well and good, lucky, fine. Everybody's clapping for you. It's good. But if you, oh Lord, oh Lord, all the
NSF.
storytelling now doesn't make sense.
Bonus plus 1 point. Junior
Yes,
Steelers.
bonus plus 1
Jersey
with
number
Ayush
7
Singh.
out.
We just wanted to see Navneet before coming to the Salt story. We wanted to see with whether Ajay Gulia crossed over. Yeah, this
Red.
is bonus plus 1 from Ayush Singh. Good work as Nitish.
Do or die.
Do or die raid. And a do or die raid. That's an
Red.
ease my super tackle. Ajay
points.
Gulia
Junior
has
Steelers.
been pinned down, and I'll also tell you what, this is India one star moment because Junior Steelers are escaping this all out, and finally Mayank Saini was revived on the previous point. He comes in to support Sahil Narwal, but I've got a very good clarification now. This is the advantage of Navneet, as you say, being from the venue. Again, Mayank Saini versus Darshan Ravi. How
1
many
point,
times today?
Junior Steelers.
I think
Jersey number 9 out.
4 times, if I'm not right.
के 6 मिनट हो
Do
गए।
or die.
आप बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं, और अच्छा हुआ आपने वो नमक की कहानी अच्छी तरीके से समझाई। मेरे दिमाग में भी वो चल रहा था कि क्या नवनीत सडन से नमक के बारे में बात करने शुरू हो गए। और रनिंग एंड टच नाउ अटेम्प्टेड ऑन अ डू और डाई रेड as escape, but then a brilliant one. Well. The entire arena here at the Vandana Kataria Indoor Stadium are up on their feet. What a fabulous escape. This is Yuva Palton's biggest Palton
Jersey number 5
going along and swiping it off. All right.
and 56
Well,
out.
it's a super duper raid and it's definitely
Naveen.
Navneet, the star moment of the
नवीन,
match.
यहाँ पर बिल्कुल स्टार मोमेंट ऑफ द मैच। और मैं बात कर रहा था नमक की, यहाँ पर नमक नहीं, आलू प्याज टमाटर सभी बाहर चले गए हैं। और जो सब्जी बनने का, जीत की सब्जी हम बनाना चाह रहे थे जूनियर स्टीलर्स के लिए,
Jersey number 28
वो
out.
बहुत
18
दूर
in.
होती।
Do or die.
है ना?
अंतिम 5 मिनट।
As it's a do or die raid now.
जी हाँ, ये जो है ये गिलहरी कैम है, गिली कैम, एकदम नीचे से गिलहरी देख सकती है। 5 और 29 हिमेश तियोतिया।
Raider out. 1 plus 2, 3 points. Yuva
Yeah,
Palton.
very much.
All out.
Nice work.
Junior Steelers.
Gileri cam, yeah, on the low angle. Wonderful. Yeah, Gilma. Sanjay Nani, I should say, high five. Back hold. Wonderful.
Raider out.
A high five for him.
Yuva Palton.
Yesterday he also played really well against the Yuva Mumba. And today, yeah, Mohit
Do
Chiller
or
के
die.
पिताजी इधर युवा ऑल स्टार्स चैंपियनशिप 2025 पर उनका आशीर्वाद हमें देने इधर पधारे हैं। बिल्कुल डू और डाई राइट, और आशीर्वाद लेने साहिल नरवाल भी चले गए थे अजय
1
गुलिया के
point.
पांव पर,
Yuva Palton.
नहीं मिला।
Jersey number 11
Navneet.
out.
जी हाँ, गुलिया साहब आज कमाल मचा रहे हैं।
Definitely. And Mohit Chiller's his father's name is of course Gawar Singh Chiller. बड़े साहब यहाँ पर है, और this is a बड़ा जीत to the Yuva Paltons. Wonderful way after such important matches that they led.
समरी में हम देखते हैं मैच नंबर 56, 35 और 23 के